Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Matthew's Bushcraft here, and today I am going to be talking about two fire starters. UCO Stormproof matches and Zippo Stormproof matches. Which one do you think is better? Let's find out together. So today we're going to be talking about fire starting. Now, fire starting is very important for purifying water, cooking food, keeping your body warm, and protecting yourself against predators, which are in the area I live in. In future videos, we're going to talk about more fire starters, but for this video, we're going to discuss matches. These aren't ordinary matches. These are stormproof matches, waterproof and windproof. So, in ordinary matches, if they got wet or wind blew them out, game over. They're not going to work anymore. But these are stormproof matches. And if you drop them in the water, or if wind came, then it would still work. Now these are UCO stormproof matches. And yes, of course, as I said, they are windproof and waterproof. There are 25 of these in the box, and they burn for about 15 seconds. I think these are perfect for camping trips. And the price of these are about $3. And now these are Zippo Typhoon Stormproof matches. There are 15 Stormproof matches in here, and they burn longer than the UCO Stormproof matches. They burn for 30 seconds. And now the case here is important because if you're kayaking or canoeing and you drop it in the water, it'll float. And it's also good because it'll keep your matches safe, and it'll possibly not break. It won't break as easy because the UCO Stormproof matches box case, as I said, they're good for camping. When I put them in my survival pack, they broke, so they're not as protective in a box. And now these Zippo Typhoon matches, Stormproof matches, they cost about $10 to $12. $10 or $12, it all depends on where you get them. Now the similarities to these two are that they're windproof and waterproof. So if you drop it in the water, all you need to do is blow on it lightly or shake it, and the fire will come right back. And if the wind blows it, then it'll also come right back. And if you drop it in snow, same thing with water. All you need to do is shake it up and it'll come right back with both of these matches. And both packs come with extra strikers. It's also more important for the UCO Stormproof matches box case. They have extra striker pads because I was testing the striker pads on the box once, and the wet matches made the box wet, and the box getting wet made it sort of deteriorated. And so now this is what the UCO Stormproof match looks like. And yes, of course, it burns for 15 seconds, and this is actual size. And now this is what the Zippo Stormproof match looks like. It's larger and it burns for 30 seconds. So this is the UCO match, which burns for 15 seconds, and this is the Zippo Stormproof match, which burns for 30 seconds. And I think you can see the differences in why they burn longer. Water, match. Two things that don't go together, unless if it's a stormproof match. So that was the UCO Stormproof match. Now, we're gonna do the Zippo. So that's the cap where the matches are. And now the striker pad is right here. So now that was the Zippo Typhoon match. And I think you can see of how it burned a lot longer. I know which one I liked best, but what did you think was best? Tell me in the comments below. Which one did I think was best? Drum roll, please. I don't have a drum. Do you? You didn't bring one either? Although I do like the UCO, I honestly and personally think that the Zippo is better. I think that the UCO Stormproof matches are better for camping, picnics, and normal stuff around the house. Overall, I think for hiking and survival packs, any of their survival situations, Zippo is better. And why I think it's better is because the matches are bigger and thicker, they're better quality, and they burn so much longer, and it's in a case that floats with all the matches and strikers protected in it. Longer burn time is important because in a survival situation, it gives you more time to start a fire. I'll put a link in the description below of where you can find each and every one of these items I used to make this video. If you have any questions about this video, leave a note in the comments below for me and I'll try my best to reply to that comment. And I hope to see you in the next one. Bye. Why are we starting a fire when it's this hot outside? You really didn't bring a drum. How did nobody bring a drum? It was in the script. I paid for a drum.